Hey guys, I hope everything is going well on your side, and once again I'm back with a fresh strategy for making money online. So what if I were to tell you that you could use your smartphone to do simple tasks to earn more than $100 on the same day? I know it sounds too good to be true, but with these 3 different websites I'm about to show you, it's certainly possible. What excites me the most is that all of these tools are free to use and they're accessible to everyone on the planet. Since this is a relatively easy method, the money is gonna come bit by bit, and you need to consider that if you repeat the method 4 or 5 times, that will definitely amount to a lot of money in just 24 hours. The money you're gonna make is gonna come through PayPal, and there's no need to worry if you don't have a PayPal account, because you can cash out your money directly into your bank accounts, and you could also accept your earnings in Bitcoins or other cryptocurrencies. Now what I want to stress on is that you have to watch the whole video so you can understand the whole sequence to avoid making critical mistakes that will lead to missing out on some of the money, and be sure to subscribe with the bell notification on if you want to make money online without having to put out any. We upload at least 1 video per week. So without further ado, I'm the Make Money Online strategist. Let's not waste time, let's make some cash. So the first website that is gonna pay us is Picoworkers.com. So here you can perform some basic tasks and earn a lot of money, and you get to earn some money just for simply signing up. So after signing up and earning a free bonus, you can start looking for jobs and earn money immediately. And the simplest way of doing that is by liking and watching videos. So if you stick with me, by the end of the video, you should expect to know a simple trick that will double your money, which will make you a higher earner than most of the users. Another way is by using the referral program. So if you have a social media account like Facebook or Twitter, you can share this with your friends or followers, and if they sign up and use the service, you'll get paid for any job they complete. If you don't want to rely on commissions, you can do the work yourself. The more referrals you get over time, the more they will grow and stack up, and this will be your second source of income. You may complete all of the tasks while watching the videos and liking the videos, which will make you a couple of dollars, which are easy to complete in less than 2 minutes. So before we go further, I'd like you to smash the like button if you're enjoying the video, and don't be shy to leave a comment if there's a part you don't understand. I'll be sure to reply in detail. Anyway, you must complete the task on this website in order to get paid by the employer. I'll explain to you how to do that so you don't make mistakes, because many people submit incorrect work, which ultimately results to $0 made. For now, let's quickly move to the second website. Its name is Earnably, and here you get your spoils in the form of points. This means once you earn enough points, you can cash them in for real money. 1,000 points are equal to $1, and I'll show you a trick that will make you 500,000 points in just 24 hours that no one else is aware of. Since here on Earnably they're quite selective as to which country you're in, so if you're outside the USA, you can just download Proton VPN, which is a free VPN service that will enable you to sign up when you visit a website like this, because many websites may be blocking your country. So to get started here on Earnably, you gotta click on any of these companies, visit their websites, and watch the video in full using your phone or laptop. You can let the video play on the background while you take care of other tasks, and the best thing is that if you have more than one device, like 2 phones for example, you may use them both at the same time, because the website allows you to sign in simultaneously, which will therefore earn you double or 3 times the amount of money depending on how many devices you are using. Furthermore, keep in mind that spending time doing something else will only waste your time. Instead, stay on watching and liking videos. Avoid doing surveys because they pay very little. Now the third website is StreetBees. Here you can earn a significant amount of money by just completing a few simple tasks. So if you have a smartphone, you can log in, register, and create a free account. So what they will do is they will ask you to take pictures, like pictures of your food or your blender, amongst other things. And they will also send you a message that you must reply to. And when you reply to that message, they might ask you to add some of your photos. And in a nutshell, they will ask you to just take pictures of your surroundings in order to earn money. You can earn money on StreetBees by doing whatever they ask you to do, including taking images of whatever they ask you to take, uploading them, and sending them. You can download this app for free on the Google Play Store app. So when you click on the Join Now button, you'll be sent to the App Store or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Both of these stores have relatively good reviews, so I advise you to go check them out yourself. It will only take you a few minutes each day to complete a story, send a message, and reply to one. By just doing that, you will only earn $10. So you can do that over and over to make a ton of money and surprise your friends and family. So if you want more ways of making money online, you can view the videos we have on the channel so you can add to your list of streams of income. That's it for today. I hope you got some value from the video. Thanks for watching.